Okay class, so we will try to solve these questions. So the first question says find unit vector which is parallel to resultant of the given vectors. So the given vectors are A, which is equal to unit vector I plus, which is equal to I cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap, and vector B, which is equal to 3I cap minus 5j cap plus k cap. So what will be the resultant of these two vectors? It will be the addition of these two vectors. So we add these two vectors, and what we will find? We will find the similar components together. We will add the similar components together, like the components of I cap I cap together, j cap together, and k cap together. On solving that, we got vector R, resultant vector R, as 4I cap minus j cap minus k cap. Now we will find the magnitude of this. The magnitude will be under root of a square plus b square plus c square. So what is a here according to this? 4 square plus minus of 1, yes, and minus of 1 whole square. On solving this, we get the value as 3 under root 2. Now what we have to find? Unit vector which is parallel to resultant of vectors. Okay, when we talk about parallel vector, we talk they are moving in same direction. Okay, so unit vector, I told you that how can we find the unit vector of any given vector. Now suppose A is a given vector, then its unit vector will be given by vector A upon magnitude of vector A. Okay, so here also unit vector parallel to vector R will be equal to R cap, which is equal to unit vector R upon magnitude of vector R. So 4I cap minus j cap upon k cap upon 3 under root 2 will be the unit vector parallel to resultant vector R. Okay, now we will move to the next question, which is two vectors are given to you and they are asking you to find a vector with same magnitude. Okay, same magnitude as B. We will find the magnitude of B and with same magnitude of B, and it should be parallel to A. Fine. So we are given with two vectors and we have to find a third vector which is in of same magnitude of vector B, and it should be parallel to vector A. So for that, we will first find out the magnitude of vector A, which comes to be 5, 3 square plus 4 square. Fine. Now unit vector in direction of A. Okay, as we are talking about parallel, so we are talking in the same direction. That is why again we will find the unit vector which is equal to A cap is equals to vector A upon magnitude of vector A. So we will put vector A and magnitude is 5. So we will put the values here. Now it should be same in magnitude of B. So we will find the magnitude of vector B, which comes to be 25. 7 square plus 24 square. Under root of 7 square plus 24 square will give us 25. Fine. Now we have the vector which has same magnitude as B and parallel to A. Let it be C. Now magnitude of B we will write, and then the unit vector parallel to unit vector in direction of A. Fine. We will put the values here. So magnitude of B is 25 and unit vector in direction of A is 1 by 5, 3I cap plus 4j cap. On solving this, we will get 5 into 3 will give us 15I cap and 5 into 4 will give us 20j cap. So the vector obtained from with having the same magnitude as B and parallel to vector A is 15I cap plus 20j cap.